Assalamu alaikum. Today I have come with the kitchen vocabulary. Mother, you can use these vocabulary with your kids in a kitchen. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, we are starting. First vocabulary is rolling pin. Rolling pin. You can use rolling pin for making a loaves. Next is oven. Oven. This is oven. You can use this oven for making muffins and cupcakes. This is a pot. Pot. You can use this pot for making a curry. Next is tray. Tray. You can use this tray for serving many items like rice, naan, etc. Okay, the next thing is spatula. 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 Next is frying pan. Mama used this frying pan for frying many things like nuggets, like egg, like roll, many things. Okay, next is whisk. Whisk. Okay, this is a cutlery. Fork, spoon and knife. These, we can say, these all are the cutlery. And last and most important is apron. Apron. This is plate. This is plate. We eat the meal in this plate. And this is a microwave oven. This microwave oven used for many purposes. Okay. And now last is mug. Mug. We drink a milk from this mug. We drink a tea from this mug. Okay, if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. जज़ाकल्लाह. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा और आपको किस तरह की वीडियो देखनी है मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.